Hey, I'm back to show you another quick video. I took my glove box out to fix the V71 motor, and now I just wanted to show you guys all where the bolts are on this glove box. So there are 10 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the one on the side that goes by the fuse box, so 10. And then there's one connection here on my glove box, and then there's another connection here for the AMI. So that's hopefully helpful. And then the bolts that go in there look like this, and they're all the same. So if you lose one, just get one just like this, and hope that helps you out. Thank you.